Asan isan? To.
Yan.
Bigo yan.
Yung pag-uwi ata, galing ospital, yun ako.
Ay, may hospital naman.
Oo, nalagyan na ako. Pareha yun na ako sa...
Yan na si baby.
Oo, nalagyan din yung video guys.
Ay, baby. Wala pa nga gunit-gunit eh.
Who's that?
That's you.
Mommy, why I need the doctor?
Ano lang to? 20 seconds.
Huh? You came from the hospital, man. Then we're going to mental na.
Why does mean
Oh, look here. Oh, tingnan
Ayun,
mo
yung
ha.
hospital.
Where are you? Where is you?
Then ako nag-hold
Oh.
sa'yo.
Ina is holding you there. Look.
Magin ka pa, Kash?
No, yes.
Oh, Cash, look. That's you inside the hospital.
My night is up. Where's the night?
Yeah, may mask.
What's up a mask?
Una ko first, gunit sa'yo, no? Una ko.
Ikaw ba yan, Labi?
Kain-kain ba kayo? Ina ko kung gawang number ako. Yun, yatami ng bata ka na.
That's you.
Look, kayo.
Mom, I came out muna sa incubator.
Oh, and I carried you.
Beep na. Beep, beep.
Mommy, I'm scared. I'm not scared.
Lain kayo. Beep, beep. Noon sa malaki.
I'm not ready.
Huh?
I'm not ready.
Oh, what were you thinking there?
You're sick and I.
Anak, si ikaw dyan ang nasa incubator.
Huh? Who put my meat?
The doctor.
No, the nurse.
The nurse pala.
Nurse put the baby when they're sick. Doctor check their lungs in their tummy.
Ay, oh.
Tingnan mo ha.